nabangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events, your trusted partner in events and media planning and management. Guys, salamukela enkundleni ngiphinde njalo ngesindebele translation. Salamukela enkundleni esiphatheleke iDep3 Events, ikhampani ke eliphathisa nxa lidinga ukuncediswa lisenza ama events enu senza into ze media. Guys, nxa sikhuluma ama events, we're talking about all types of events, you know, be it corporate events, social events, church events, family events, NGO, whatever, political events, we also cover those. So guys, just get in touch with Dep3 Events using the contacts akhona lapho ku screen sakho. If you need stage hire, if you need the sound system, you need videography, you need photography, special effects, Dep3 is just there for you, everything under one roof. Kulabana ke abahlabelayo, kulabana abaperformayo, there is studio, recording studio ikhona khona lapha, and there is rehearsal space ikhona futhi la ikhona lapha. MC bakhona for your events, guys. My name is Nondudu Zongcube, ngihamba lo General Leslie. We can be the MCs of your events if you need us.
Yeah.
I know definitely when the event you do need us.
Vele you do. Look, I want to talk about my lumohlekisa lo kale wekele.
Futhi unanzele ukuthi omalumela abantu abahlekisa bathanda futhi ukukhuluma into ezilabo nhlamba nhlamba.
Lokukhuza uyakhohlwa ukuthi ungu MC. Ngoyosethethisa bathi hey
uqinisela lokuthi ungene kuliphi igodi.
So bayithi dingana umuntu owadlula eDep3 owadlula enkundleni exclusive. Like we always say, welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. Siku December sidla imali esigweja, si happy, sile mali zethu ezinengi, ezinye lisithumezela zona, siyabonga bakithi. Welcome to Enkundleni. Like I always say, it's powered by Okuhle Designs for all your graphic works. Ngike ngavakatsha so ngacheka kulenye restaurant abayibrandileyo recently, anza lithumela ama photo very soon. Those guys are top notch. So if you have your canteen that you're opening, a bar, whatever, oyabe ukuvula a salon, a wig shop, angazi ukuthi wena ufuna ukwenzani, cosmetics, and you need branding yona leyana, amabizo akona wonke akhona ngalawa bo Vinary landlani. You can just visit Okuhle Designs and make sure you get yourself quality for less.
Yeah, so guys, sound engineering, mastering, studio, recording studio, rehearsal space, ikhona lapha eDep3 Events. So, Bulawayo's top 10 charming men. Angubonanga.
Rafa bangenze yona so.
B Metro published a list of Bulawayo's top 10 charming men. I want to list these people. So, Gobulawayo silo Benchest number 1.
Benchest but has always been there.
Benchest very uhlale ngena kuma list onke shame.
Uloke model.
Charming, I'm not sure.
Kumbe sango Benchest.
I think he actually stopped ukuhlangabeza abantu. Why umhlangabeza? Why
pure like not ngingathi why pure because it will sound wrong, but why le chance kakhulu yokutholakala duze lama celebrities. So mina ngangakwazi vele ukuthi wenzani, but nganhlanje sizibizo Benchest.
Okay, so we've got Benchest, we've got Tapiwa TP Zimamba. This guy is a bodybuilder.
Oh,
yeah, he's a bodybuilder. He does a lot of content about bodybuilding, healthy living, and stuff like that. We've got Miyamiko Banda. He's been quiet lately in the social media streets. I don't know why, but he's been lying low. We've got Jimmy Mhlanga. Okay. We've got Mr. Gray. Okay.
Mr. Gray.
I don't know him.
Okay.
But we've got him there on the list. We've got Prophet Bruce Edwards. Can the Prophet Bruce Edwards, what's his real surname?
I think Ngcube.
Ngcube charming. Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure, but I think Ngcube.
Ngcube is charming for real.
Ngcube.
Aye. Amencube, so Nxa Ncube is charming. And then we've got Gift Banda. But be Metro, be serious.
Kaninda.
Gift Banda.
Aye.
Top 10 charming men.
Mina ukuthi sikhiwa siyangeqa.
Uchame
Ngabe
bani?
sithi charming bathini kanti?
Uyachama phela. Uchame bani uGift Banda?
Kufana imali yakhe chama so imali Kifanda is one of the richest guys la koBulawayo la.
Ngubani?
Akakhulumi lutho uyazihlalela so imali kuchame so.
Leslie ngubani ongachama nguGift Banda? Athi uchamile sibi.
Nge 1.5 1.5
Hayi guys.
Ay 1.5
Hayi guys akula
imali yechama.
Gift be Metro. Please be serious. Ningadlali ngengqondo zethu.
Mina mvumelana lana ku Gift Banda. Vele kusengami ngabe bafaka bonke abalemali ukuthi laba ba charming lo Brian bamfaka.
Maybe they can just say money guys. But Gift Banda ku charming ani? Hayi. Asazi maybe bakhona abachamayo. We've got Batsirai Shoko. Who's that?
I don't know Batsirai
Batsirai
Shoko. I have to look for him.
Okay.
Antolanga isikhathi ukuthi ibizo lakhona vele uthiwa ncediswani.
Maybe he's charming, he has a charming personality.
Oh.
But nxa ngikhangela ipicture lapha.
Bona anti ngama journalist and so
Ikho phela
asikwazi ukuthi bamthethe ngapi.
No, I'm saying maybe he has a charming personality. But ipicture nxa ngikhangela lapha njengaka Gift Banda.
So
And then we've got Lance Chigodo. Well, he's posing naked. I don't know the guy, but ukhona ku list.
onganiqiniso.
Oh,
right. Yeah, chama.
My apologies for body shaming. We've got the last one. Sipho Mesenti Nyathi. That one is funny. Uyachama uSipho.
My favorite in that list.
uSipho uyakuchama.
My favorite on that list. Whosoever created the list, ngicela number 1 abe number 10, uSipho abe number 1.
uSipho uyakuchama ngamanga.
Sipho is charming. Sipho.
Uyakuchama ngamanga uSipho.
Sipho is charming.
Okay.
Mbani kodwa adjudicator, mbani okhethayo.
I don't know.
Does an individual just wake up and
Maybe they
how
vote.
is it done?
Maybe they vote. Mina abachamayo lapha engibabonayo. I think Utaphiwa is charming. Umia but Senyamalele used to be charming online. Benchest is charming. He's a charming character. Uprofeti I respectful yan.
Yachama phela.
He's handsome.
Yachama.
Singazi charming maybe church.
Yachama prophet. Yachama.
Jimmy serious kakhulu. I don't know. He's a serious guy. He's always, whenever I see him on platforms or in events, he's just always serious. So I don't know how charming
You
he is.
charming yakona.
It doesn't look charming. He looks distant.
Mina pari ngicela lamba mvumela nje. Ngikhiphe yami list.
Usipho angakuchama ngamanga.
Amangabi kanti. Usipho indaba zabantu kasithandi. Usipho indaba zabantu kasithandi.
But should I gift Lance? These guys are not charming at all. That was just a wastage of ink printing those pictures.
Ama ladies aphuma nini?
Ama top beautiful. Kutela baphuma.
Kanti ngawakhutha njani?
You're not the target audience.
Yeah, definitely. Because I even a list top 10 charming men. I had to hear from you. Like I'm never there. I use it every year so kungandlula seriously.
For you to qualify ku top 10 yama charming men. First of all, obviously you have to be charming. I don't know how Gift Banda qualified, but first of all, you have to be charming. Then secondly, you have to be visible because you can be charming at your house. No one will know that you're charming. So you have to be visible. Sikubone la ukuthi charming. Anje wana uJimmy I've seen him in many places. He's that serious guy all the time. So it's charmingness can.
But angazi, I'll just check on these guys. Ukuthi is it wonke inabalama socials amakhulu because nxa kuyikuthi ama-socials abo wonke, I know ama-social kaSipho are massive. I'm not sure bonke ukuthi ama-socials abo
no,
makhulu
but
yini.
I know.
So nxa kuyikuthi ama-socials abo bonke awakho makhulu, so it means it's mainly selecting those that are visible to you, not to everyone.
Maybe there's a panel that's
Because
fixed.
unganika maybe omunye umuntu ongaso lapha singabuya maybe le totally different list
maybe
altogether.
that's a panel.
Yeah. Mina, I'm just happy because this is like good situational comedy. You have something to laugh about.
Don't give banda lapha
Yeah, you have something to laugh about. This is good. This should happen like every month. Sneaky list every month. Then kule award, do you win anything?
No,
or it's
no, it's
just
just
for
yeah,
socials.
yeah,
But it's good market now for especially artists. It's good market because everyone will be asking uthi uSipho Mesent Mbana and ongamaziyo. Then sungene page like suhlangana le content sharp. Similar lo uthi bodybuilder. You'll start looking for him, then maybe Jimmy yakhe iqinise igcwele. I think mele bayenze every month. It's charming. Every month nxa lingela adjudicator ngibona mina veni lama gents ami suwabulala so ngokuchama
But
so
sicela lifaka abantu abachamayo, please. These other three guys.
number yami list sibili nganchaya. Ngiyanqa ngikhipha so hard. Newspaper yathengwa kakhulu ilanga lakhona.
Anyway, it doesn't just so ziyayenza sihleke, and sometimes we laugh and sikhohle
Yeah,
serious issues.
yeah, true.
Because looking at the other serious issue that happened in the past 2 weeks, this is when Leo social media. Now the thing is, we don't know how factual it is. It is scandals Zimura. We saw a list of executives being overpaid, whilst obviously artists are kalama royalties, and now I was checking the comments and there was a debate amongst abantu ukuthi do you call this underpaying but do you call this overpaying? But I would say it was ngezimali ade zikhulunywa laphana by Zimbabwean standards.
How much is
It's
it?
over bekuphuma boma 3,000
Okay,
kusaphezulu
okay,
so by Zimbabwean standards and that's overpaying.
Yeah.
And considering ukuthi institution yakhona ilamanye ama responsibilities abehluleka
yeah.
So that's obviously that's underpaying.
Yeah.
Maybe the people that were commenting, maybe they were talking about the international standards.
Yeah.
To say chairperson or the director or whoever should be getting a standard of that much. But using Zimbabwean standards, guys, manohola 3,000 be 1.5 salary.
Yeah, ukuthi I don't want to eZimbabwe nxa udubeka mawudubeke kakhulu then nxa usharp futhi mele ube sharp kakhulu akumelanga ube average ngoba average uzasihlupha so I don't want to, it's possible because I know one or two guys abahola sibili imali zokuthi lawe nxa uzama uxoxa la so and uyabumangala ukuthi imali leyo yayihola leyo kwamashuwa and but I difference yakho nayo yabizisa ubuhlungu ukuthi kulo muntu ongasola MD ongasola CEO okhona nje maybe ku organogram yabe ku number 7 ehola bo 3.5 and then kulo muntu ophansi leyo le general hand ehola 180 and usumangalo but umuntu ohlaba kakhulu lapha ngulo oy 180 so it's the same thing ukuthi ama artists abekhala ngezimuru ukuthi ama royalties aswatholi yibo lapha nababe ku general hand level lapha behlaba nzima then okabe kuthiwa utholile okona ama royalties maybe abethole $15 the whole year then kube lo munye akahlabeli akayenzi lutho okhola 3,000 I think it becomes overpay.
I'm checking I'm actually looking for the article. Yeah.
Ikhitshwe
Let me check. There's
nalamsomenga subhali izitori zami.
There's a Zim Celebs, there's a Newsday. So
Yeah, nxa kunjalo,
Yeah.
yeah. Nxa kunjalo, yeah.
it's something else, yeah. And also now, besides that issue, kule issue yokuthi the offices were sold for were actually undervalued, underpriced. They were sold for $150,000.
Yeah.
And-
And also according to Earground, there was no consultation.
Yes.
According to Earground.
But what the members claim, they were kept completely in the dark about the transaction. The sale allegedly occurred without any member input. There were no meetings. There was no annual general meeting. There was no extraordinary general meeting held to approve this massive organizational decision. And then there was no tender process. So the sale was allegedly not put out on tender, meaning the organization may have not secured the best possible market price for the property. And then the saga takes a darker turn with the involvement of the property firm that handled the sale. It was reportedly handled by Seal Reef Estate, which, however, is a major red flag because Zimura board member Alexio Kwenzi is allegedly an employee of that Seal Reef Estate. Yeah. So this is what Zimura has been doing, and there's I don't know where I saw it. There's a musician. They didn't mention the name. Obekhala nguthi ama royalties akhe umnyaka wonke got $30 and
Yeah, I was Zagabe massive vele. I don't know why ingoma zethu azitshaywa. These days wonke umuntu uyahlabela. Wonke umuntu uyahlabela these days, so lami mfuna ukhipha i-album yami, so sharp. These days everyone's a comedian, everyone's a musician, everyone. The only thing that we're failing is to start proper businesses. Congratulations on your 2-year milestone.
Oh yes, the car wash.
Yeah.
Royal Shine turned 2 years. Last week.
That's the only path that we can't rob. Because for everything else, umuntu uyavuka li-actor, uyavuka ngu-filmmaker, but business.
Yeah. And I was posting about it to say, and you know, it's a common belief, and you hear even established business people talking about it. It takes 5 years for a business to fully establish. For a business to actually say, yeah, we are making profits and we are stable. It takes 5 years.
True.
And in those 5 years, most people, they will fail. Most people, they will give up.
Omunye ku-5 years wabe sevula amakhampani angu-5
You see?
evala qale ngebhele liyale avula umsika, izinja zidla amatamatisi, next thing sethengisa amagogorosi etown, i-earphone charger kuyale alahlelele sethengisa ama-hairpiece. Then kulabanye ababa-seasonal and they don't know what they are selling. They just sell. Namuhla sethengisa izipunu, like kunzima sokuthi umfonele uthi ufunani, sethengisa ama-braid. So December kuyini okudlisayo, uhlale ubuza imibuzo nale, December kuyini okudlisayo, sethengisa amakoti. But ungaba le foundation, for example, nokuthi wena uyabule car wash and so even thengisa ama-gates athengisele car wash, even thengisa i-ice ithengisele car wash, and omunye manje uyahlavala i-car wash ahlawoda ama-ice. So kungu-December vele kanti sokufunakala ama-ice, sethengisa imithini yogesi, ama-ice wasafune, sethengisa amabhuku lama-socks.
Anyway, anjabona ukuthi lo u-Alexio lo kanyani you are dealing with the real estate.
Yeah.
So obviously the property, it could have been a proper price.
Alexio Bukawara.
This
Le ngabona ama-musician.
Oh my God.
No, don't worry. Not.
Yeah.
Yena lo Alexio.
So anjabona ukuthi abanye they were saying the price is okay, but they failed to realize that the issue is not about the price in this case. The issue is about whether procedure was followed, whether proper procurement standards were adhered to, whether the constitution of Zimura was followed, whether there was good leadership, proper decisions were made. That's what the issue is about. Ingabe yaba overpriced, ingabe yaba underpriced, ingabe yaba properly priced, but that is not the case.
Yeah, true.
Because I understand if it's a membership-based organization, like what we're being told, auntie, members are supposed to make an input kuma decisions anjengana la.
True.
But
true.
and you find not even one member raising their hand to say, I was at the meeting, this was discussed.
Because no one so far, maybe Metlenami has come through. I actually followed up on the issue. Even kuma comments, I've been reading comments with maybe someone is just gonna come through and say, I am in member lila manga kutule en labo batule.
I think uyakwazi enye into I think ama members I think any problem esilayo in our society lani yokuthi you find that there are some aggrieved members who are not going to say anything because they are afraid that they will lose opportunities in the future. They will be cancelled. They will be marked. Bazabe sebekhangelwe with that extra invisible eye. So you find that even if they are aggrieved, they will just keep quiet.
Yeah.
Even if umuntu ekhala ukuthi ama royalties ami indlu yathengiswa so and so is earning more, they'll just keep quiet. Khathesi I think this saga, we've had issues this year vele we've had so many issues ngezimura.
Yeah, true.
Ndaba leyana yake yaba khona ama licenses
ama band
then there was another leadership crisis in 1 year.
Even la kharesanti kwaba lama vote and nganthenza thatha statement kuSikela. I don't know how I forgot ukuthi uSikela wahamba phela kuma vote ngale not ukuyavotelwa but just to be there until everyone was invited and ukukhala kwaba kunengi. I don't know why we did not speak about this ukuthi every time ama meeting ayenzelwa eHarare and siyakwazi sonke isimo somnotho and izimura should know better because ayiniki vela ama musicians imali and ezama royalties because nxa unike $30 in a year it means I can't come to Harare and come back to Bulawayo just to come and vote and so I think kwakumele ube le online voting on something and abayivalayo. So it means everyone that was outside Harare but following up on the meeting wagcina ngayenelisanga ukuvota and kwagcina kungani sokusiba ngumsindo and something ngoba even I remember Albert egroupini yeziko when he was talking about it Albert Nyathi wakhuluma sibele egroupini yeziko ukuthi into lezi asikwazi lathi ukuthi what's happening because nxa sokuswelakale 1 or 2 people abazasukuma bayichinge akuyawonakala vele. So I think kwabe lento lana vote buying ukuthi babuthelela babo ngala and then babanika ama chicken slice kube sokuthiwa lisivote bayokwazi ukuthi kungathiwa lathi ngapha sivote esehlule ukuhamba. So I think even ama meeting wona lawa anti into elizwe ayikihambe we right meeting eBhinga kuke kuyevotelwa eBhinga sibone ukuthi inamba iyabe ifanana yini njengokuthi kujayele ukuwina abangapha and kuke kuthiwe siye Bedbridge kuke kuthiwe siye Plumped like kuhambe so
Bhinga khona ama musicians
manenge uDT Mbayo ukujatha
so ngiyabona ukuthi for this past whole year izimra vele it has been facing
asikhulume kakhulu
and not even one artist is coming out to speak khona khiyana kuyinto lokhana ukuthi ngingakhuluma ngizavalelwa amathuba
bamvalela phansi
into ezinjengazi
wesaba ukuvalelwa amathuba ngabantu abangela
amathuba ovele ungawaphiwa
yiko benje abalawo vele amathuba
awaphiwa la mathuba ngkhona but uyabe usesaba ukuthi ngizavalelwa ama opportunities you know so I think that's why most people are quiet. Most people and you find ukuthi sesaba le mentality lani yokuthi speaking out on fairness, on equality, you're being scandalized.
Yes,
you're being a problem. So ukuthi ube decent, focus on your craft and don't speak.
Yeah. No, but speaking, I realized recently ukuthi ukukhuluma kushap and ngabe unoluntu kakhuluma ngaba sila show ngeThursday but keluthi line up inhle njani
Yes.
keluthi line up yakho ni massive njani ngithabile ngibona introduction ka Vuyo Brown. I was like I love Vuyo Brown
and what I love about decision ka Noluntu is that she chose quality musicians.
yeah guaranteed
Kafakanga anyone.
no ngama vocalist sibili ukuthi
Ukhethile, and
proper
I think she
performances
actually sat down and thought it over ukuthi who can I add?
yeah
Azange aphonga ufaka umfuqu imvuthu zonke.
kamfakanga
So she sat down and said ngifuna i-cream yakobulawayo. Wabethatha i-cream yonke wayibha.
wayithelela khoma
Yeah.
so I desire ukuthi kube lama shows amaningi kanjalo so ukuthi just 7 artists come together find a venue push a show
And
9
you know
artists
what?
come together push
Speaking
a show
on that,
Yeah.
I think if i-pattern le ingacontinue, laba bemvuthu laba they'll strive to produce quality.
Yeah.
Because babekwazi ukuthi ngabe lokho ngifaka imvuthu zami
Abambizi.
sidelined.
Yeah.
Yes.
but bangabizana bodwa ke abemvuthu labo benze yabisho phela bale following
Right.
awuzakuyizwe enye ingoma sodlawe manje ingoma le ikathithini le ubona umunye umuntu ekholisa so ngebruku eli-red so ne maroon ekholi nalona ungazama ukufaka umbono engoma le bazala yes
But yeah, but you're right because iyezwakala ivuthu kithi
but kwezinye indawo so yabe i-love song
and then Vuyo Brown sings abasesithi kuyini khona lokho.
yeah
So yeah, taste
Yeah.
is different, eh?
yeah but I mean I think i-line up ye fill up sitting room it's something that sibili ukuthi ngabe ngiholile bengiyahlala ku VIP sibili because kumnandi so into lokho like uyaphuma usiya khona so uyabumangala so lapho zabadabula bonke mbani lalo ozaphuma wena sithi low yanamhlanje shaya because bonke bayendlala
Yeah.
bayendlala so I think we're going to have fun.
Yes,
I think we're going to have fun. I hope we are going to have like a live act sibili kungabe ama USB nchokotho
nge-lineup liyane ekhona.
because I know Billa does live.
I've attended shows from all those guys. And they all
of them they
Yes.
actually do ama
Yes,
live
they all do.
because I've watched Billa live Vuyo live Mrs K ngeke ngambona futhi esha live noluntu mbani
so
badabula
it's quite nice, yeah.
o 50 ka kwanti kulo mzistos
Fajika advertiser ngikaka
Gachina.
yena i-sitting room yakhe right so
kulo mzistos ngimbukele
Mrs. is a good
high
stage
popular
presence.
recently
He's
yo
a good stage
labafana
presence.
bakhe labana
I've watched him. I've watched him sisters more.
angila 3 weeks
I don't know how
ngimbukele
many
high
times.
popular
Yeah, I don't know how many times, but he has a stage performance. You never get bored when sisters is performing.
he's good
Yeah.
plus lipiano ntokazi so vemele bamfaka ekucineni vese sibuthwele ngekhanda
Now, moving on. People's Choice, BAAs.
lami ngiyafisa mina uphila kahle njengabanye abantu
iRuby
kodwa
zibambile
kuphume. Right, I always say abantu alright nxa benzonda swi abantu bacabanga ukuthi bayazi athi yakobulawayo bephandle abayazi you remember ama nominees ephuma nje okukuthiwa ngama group of death this one is the group of death this one is the group of death and ngabatshela irumba idlula amapiano ngobunandi bonke abanominate okurumba baku top 10 bonke
And you know what? I was actually posting about it to say, athi bakuvota online, right? Kulaleziana sivota zise UK.
I think that's the only challenge.
Saturday azikho.
That's the only challenge now ngerumba but it has also dominated even live.
Irumba it has local.
Igcwele yonke indawo it
I
has
was talking about number 10.
angazi ukuthi mbani orenza lithiwe ukuthi number 10 mbani just now angacheki list unkazana lo
Number 10.
No.
People's Choice. Uvotelwe diaspora. Uzabona.
all right Mathandeka, let me give you the list. I've got on this list and 3 is obvious. Kule 3 of my favorite kakhulu and actually 4 is obvious. But actually vela my favorite I think I'm 7. So I'm still struggling who to vote for.
So list yonke.
Akulabanye bokuthi hayi akuvuma ukuthi yes they're doing fine their own side but give me ano. So Number 1 obelama votes amaningi umxolisi Mr Bones did well. I think we spoke about it. Faka two phezu kwebhodlela and
hayi lafana vele ku-wrong
and also ukhona phela ku song of the year futhi uyancintisa komba. Elandelwa ngamathonga amahle lawo futhi ayancintisa ku song of the year. Irumba. I-ground imboile recently. Besithi why umculo lo kuthiwa irumba, because rumba is not anything like this. And did you see that?
I did.
I commented, I think bakufaka izolo or something, and I was
Why-
like, why i-dancehall
Khona
ye-Harare
manje
lithi
kufika
i-dancehall
dancehall,
khona
it's
kungazwakali
not
ukuthi
dancehall.
i-afropop kuyini, because thina sikhule silalela
I-dancehall,
i-dancehall.
Beenie Man,
Eh,
Beenie Man.
abo
Not even close.
hayi amadoda vele i-conversation yona leyo ngicela singabi layo i-conversation, because what they were doing, I was checking kuma-comments and bangani bafuna ukuyi-adopta sebeyisungura or kube ngani inhlekisa, because most of the comments were saying hayi ukuthi amandebele awafuni kuvuma ukuthi into ngeshoneni, but that is just sungura on high tempo. Wena ubona ngathi ikatali kaBrema kathi uthi wena ubona ukuthi unyawo lo lawulifaka ngugodi wena kulo muntu ongalufaka uFranco Slomo nalibustilele afusina vele wakhuluma werumba ngiyakubuza iground ungakwenzi konke yithi irumba kuwe asazi ukuthi kuyini, but yithi irumba and thina sesikhethe ukuthi umculo sifuna ube yini, sakwanza ukuthi kusasa sifuke sithi uJigodolo uthi uhlabela ijazz. Wena waqhaza usi-educate educate ukuthi jazz njani wena usune right. So we've got Mxolisi number 1 and mavoti akakhatshana ka 19,000 and ulandelayo le 13,000. Yeah. So we got amathonga amahle soft life ibithandwa yimi ngoma lena. We've got DJ Mzo. DJ Mzo has been consistent though. I've started knowing what DJ Mzo I think 2010. Mina ngisiba mazi abanye vele sebemazi, because aqala uba mazi uma battle of DJ badabula and he's still there, which is a good thing. We've got Umjokes also has always been there. Yeah, we've got Umjokes ku number 4. Then we've got Skim Segazi umnikazi wempuphu ku number 5. Lezana is Skim Sam, like let's vote for umnikazi guys.
So sikwazi votela ubani.
Phela le rumba phakathi
Kubeka sizwe.
then owerumba wes3 ahlangene, so bonke aberumba bakhona kodwa Lute and the Friendly Brothers band hayi kodwa amaculo enjabulo thina amaculo enjabulo yi group erecorda kakhulu lo Bila, and when he's on stage babambhekhayo laba.
Yes.
So they also have their own group, but ukhona futhi uBila egroupini, then baphinde babe bodwa
yes,
futhi
yes.
bengamaculo enjabulo. They are so good kulama twins kuhambana so ama twins, so yes hayi nkosam.
You know what? Now speak.
No, they are vocally.
Sikhuluma khona lapha. Do you know, be surprised those guys win the People's Choice.
Amaculo. Yeah, because ngabe good.
That's what
And
that's where I
good
wanted to
is supporter.
go. And they will go to the
And they will go to the awards. And already amaculo enjabulo bebodwa I think bebangu 15. So nxa bengabuya lama +1 7 with 30, and then ama +1 lawa invite +1 zakada. Lokho ufuna strategy okuyinto lokho. Be strategic and ungakhangeli even indlela, because they are not very much loud. Few people know them and but bakhona ku top 10. Mina ngiphelele ku top 25. Bona bakhona ku top 10. But ngifikile nje top 25.
So
they're number 7. And ungakhangela indlela umali yesigwethu agcwele ngayo. If they manage to beat uFebG kuma votes and bengela abala phela laba ama diaspora votes and not all. These were locals voting for them. They're a big threat elokuzeni le.
They might take it.
Yeah, you could lie group of death
might
layman.
take it.
Then we've got FebG umshana kaGogo. FebG has been doing well, but imali yami iphelela ku FebG ngicela refund. I've been attending amashow ka-50 kanyehlanye. Recently benze hashtag baze bamperformisa ngo2 lokho emvula amehlo so ngimelele and akadisappoint. Akadisappoint. Awuyangeke ukuthi ngiyamcafa ku5G. Then we've got umngane wami Abigail Mabuza. Freedom imuzwa kimi. Abigail Mabuza uyinice guys. Abigail Mabuza ukhona. Ha, lani sithini? Abigail Mabuza is there.
But manje yathi problem nga.
Yeah.
Target audience.
Yeah, ayibuyi kuma awathinki. Paranabe ngikhona. Aninabe ngikhona.
Hayi target audience yakan.
Yeah, they are not usually there on awards. Yeah, but I don't want to careso kuzanika abanye ama advantage and ukuthi abe rumba like baza share like ama votes because bonke bakhona. So ama votes lawa nazabangani yeah, then I think kwampana omunye sengaba le chance especially umnikazi wempuphu. Then number 10.
Diaspora vote.
Ekhona diaspora vote bayithi. No ngandindaba. Number 10, we've got our very own Ikisimusi Sayidlele Kwamba Black Diva.
She's
Black
going
Diva.
to lose dismally.
No, Diva is going to win.
I'm telling you.
Diva is going to win.
Hayi.
Diva.
Udiva uvotele idiaspora. Ndle ngikutshele mina.
But bazamvotela Kwamba.
Diaspora voted for Black Diva and they are not going to be there.
Kanilibangani.
Ethi trade fair. Ngapha nxa bebuyile bela ndi Christmas. But abakabuyi.
Abakafika.
Babuya next week.
All right, that's the list. People's Choice Awards. So if you are going Guma Bulawayo Arts Awards, make sure la ukuthi su decide ukuthi ufuna uvotela ubani. Mina I'm struggling guys. I love irumba so much. So kulamathonga amahle kulogodolude kulomxolisi, so I'm struggling there. Then ngale igenre ka Abigail Mabuza kuthiwa yi-Abigail Mabuza. So lo Abila ukhona, then my good friend, my very very good friend ukhona komba umnikazi wempuphu. I'm struggling like you give one a love. Not that abanye mbathanda or something, but everyone has his own favorite. And I think Mina Kares currently, those are my favorites, and I'm struggling with to vote for. Who are your favorites? Good 10 laba.
Number one, ngumnikazi wempuphu for me. And I would ngabe kuthiwa lama vote ayi-3. I would vote for umnikazi wempuphu.
FEBG.
I would vote for FEBG.
I
yes.
know.
Yeah. And then I would also vote for Rumba, I'm split. I would also vote for one Rumba.
One Rumba. Yeah, I think when I was umxolisi.
What is that?
Nguyomazi kakhulu umxolisi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. So asizweni ukuthi lawe wena ongasozwenelisi kuba khona kuma awards, if you're given an opportunity to vote kuma People's Choice, who were you going to vote for? We've got Mxolisi, Mr. Bonds, we've got amathonga amahle, we've got Godolude, we've got umnikazi wempuphu, we've got FEBG, we've got Black Diva, we've got amacule Njabulo. Kanti ngoba nabangu-3 labembakhohle. But we've got 10 at the end of the day.
So guys, one thing that I have to mention, remember, as soon as I was a popota ngisandi.
Yeah.
Remember, you have to attend the awards.
To vote for your favorite.
And one person, one vote.
One vote, yeah.
Mina ngipostile ngathi ngizabe ngiyivota mphinde ngibe yizeki. I'll be observing the elections.
So ngibe confused and because anti u20 o controversial. Phela we've got elections mhla ka20 and elections futhi mhla ka20 and we've got elections eNkulumane.
The Nkulumane was not on the 22nd.
No, it's on the 20th. So when I saw your post and I'm confused, it can't know it. Now some kind of make sense in it. Oh. So we also have elections in Nkulumane mhla ka20. It's a tight run. Ngeke ngaba seNkulumane this afternoon. It's a very tight run. All candidates are doing well. Ungafika eNkulumane, posters everywhere from independent, ruling party, opposition.
Now that you mention it,
it's great.
I'm actually thinking if Madlela had not declined his nomination,
then he wins twice on the
then
same
he wins
day.
twice.
Yeah, that was going to be a massive.
That was going to be massive, huh?
Yeah.
Then he loses in Nkulumane and wins the award. he was probably not going to take it.
No, but
Then
we
he-
would have had something to
loses.
talk about.
Then he wins in Kulumane and loses the award. Hish.
No, either way, for example, if he loses Nkulumane and wins the award, silento yokukhuluma ngayo and ukuthi hayi yeke labangaku appreciate ke la politics thina ku art saku appreciate you know, but decision ngeyomuntu. No, upcoming shows like njoba ngeke ngakhuluma, probably brought to you by Depth 3 Events. Upcoming shows, it's going to be a very interesting week. Amanye banthumele sibil, but hey, ngibusy bakithi ngilungiselela ukuchata, so busy, I'm behind time. So we've got Amapraka Phumula Arts Royal Community Awards. Yes, ngaze ngakushaya kuhle kuyinto lo. Amapraka on the 20th. So 20th is actually the awarding day, but we've got dinner a day before, we've got a festival a day before the day before. Angazi ukuthi kuthiweni la uza kufika out, and so it's going to be 3 days of Amapraka, and then the 20th yikho lapho siyabe sinika khona izicoco abayenze kuhle. That same day we've got Ubuntu Festival, Ubuntu Cultural Night, and i-lineup yakhona Charles Mahlaba, Bila, Nobuntu, Black Diva, no, la yabe khona kwampana ku lineup yabe some music academy, so make sure you purchase the tickets today. That same night we've got Amabulawayo Arts Awards, a trade fair. Like I said to you last time, Ubuntu Culture Night, le Bulawayo Arts Awards, kuseduze. You can buy both tickets and enjoy umfazi omdala lesithembo uyazikhetha ukuthi omdala nguphi umamncane nguphi, and just have enjoy because I know ukuthi phakathi kwakho wonke kukhona okunye okuzaphela late, so you can actually throw your eye and your money on both. On the 22nd, I stand to be corrected, at the 21st or 22nd, we've got Amaqaqa eBulawayo Theatre, probably brought to you by Gracious Driving School. So Sabesila Amaqaqa eBulawayo Theatre is going to be interesting. On that same Sunday, yeah, we're sitting 21, Sunday, Amaqaqa on Sunday. Then that same Sunday, high popular, we've got the red carpet event, Miss 2K, where they are appreciating upcoming models. So models zaga model in Dao that have just been undergoing in training, basic trainings, sebekhuphula sebehambisa kwenye level, but lawe ukhuphuka olokuyi crown. So it's going to be a battle of Miss 2K. Nxa ungathathanga, nxa ungakabi le plan yokuthatha, nxa ungakahawukelwa, I think you can just go there uyezitholela lawe 2005 kwakho and start from there useya phambili yabo. Life is a stew. Yeah, I think that's the only thing. Then abenkulumane bakithi, mina what I can only say is anhlale enkulumane, thank God. And I'm not very much into politics, but I'm a registered voter, and every time I vote for whosoever that I want. That's my advice for you. Vote for whosoever you want. Amanzi vela aqhubeke ngekho bangani bami lamagetsi.
So thina abanye sethi sikumapraka sikuma awards Ubuntu night nalabo line leli vote. I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I'm just informing you.
Simplify lapha, simplify.
So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Enkundleni exclusive brought to you by Depth 3 Events. As usual, it's very nice to be here, and kuba buhlungu nxa sokumele sihambe, but hey, yikho ukhona kumele sihambe, isikhathi siyabe sesihambile. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please do comment. Remember General Leslie uthe libona ngani ngubani i-top 10 charming men of Bulawayo. Sitshele khona lapho kuma comments ubona ngani mbani ozathatha isicoco People's Choice Awards kuma Bulawayo Arts Awards azabe ekhona ngomgqibelo lo landelayo e-trade fair. Ubona ngani mbani ozawina ozadlula bonke. Sitshele khona lapho kuma comments, kumbe nje usinike nje iscope ukuthi number 1 mbani, number 2 mbani, number 3 mbani. Would really love to hear from you. Yes. And also don't forget to subscribe bagiti. We always mention this every day. We will always remind you every day, and we're going to keep on pressing. Good guys, subscribe, and also follow Depth 3 Events across all social media platforms. Follow Nondudu Ncube, the number one charming lady of Bulawayo. I hope B Metro is going to publish that. Follow me in my social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Ibizwa Nondudu Ncube alichinchi. Lingafollow lo bhuti lo ongachamanga muntu
andibafayitheni mina bengunumber 12
across social media platforms. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Sibonane-ke kuviki elizayo.
Yeah, I have nothing more and nothing less to add on that. I think unosekhulume konke. Asibonaneni ngeviki elizayo. Okwakhathesi salibona singalikhangela.
Bye.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndabe sekudwini